Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQLi with the assistance of Bootstrap from Computerfever.com. So friend, in last video I have finished of making this form tag. I have worked inside this form tag. So from this video I come out of this form tag, but still I am inside the call md3 and call sm6 div. So right under the closing form tag I have made one hr tag for drawing a line. Now I make one h4 start and h4 close, and here I write stay in touch. Now I make one p tag, p start and p close, and I assign a class to this p tag. Class is equal to double quotes social. Now I comment it. Social starts. And social ends. I make one anchor tag inside the p, anchor start and anchor close. Ahref is equal to double quotes and hash dummy sign. I make one I tag for showing the icons, and first assign a class fa space fa dash Facebook, first the Facebook icon. Now I duplicate it for a few more times for showing the other icons. I just write here Twitter for showing the Twitter icon. I press Ctrl D for duplicating. Instagram, showing the Instagram icon. Google Plus, Google dash LPUS, L plus. Envelope for showing the envelope icons. I have deleted the remaining ones. Envelope mean email. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. So friend, now you would see that all these icons are being shown over here, but I am yet to stylize this photo in style.css, then it will look good. So I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I go to style.css, and here I shall begin to stylize the footer. So first I make the comment. Footer styles. Hash footer ID mean footer ID. Now first I shall call this. I show you this ID. If I take the scroll bar top, this is the footer ID which is being called here. Background, hash E0 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 and semicolon to close. Padding 20 pixels, space 0, 20 pixels from top and 0 from bottom. Hash footer UL space UL tag which is inside the footer ID. Padding left 0. First I would like to show you this UL tag which is inside the footer ID, and this is the UL tag sorry, which is being called here. And I am stylizing it here. Now the list style, first the padding left 0, list style none. Hash footer space UL space A anchor tag, which is inside the UL. I show you this anchor tag. Friends, all these anchor tags will be stylized now, which are inside the UL tags. First I define color for them, 6 times 9 and semicolon to close. Padding 20 pixel, 0, 20 pixel from top, 0 from bottom. Hash footer space dot social. Now icon social class will be stylized, which has given the class social. So I take the scroll bar down. Then this is the social class. Text line left. Hash footer space dot social anchor tag, which is inside the social class. I have already shown you these anchors. Margin 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 0 0. 0 top, 10 pixel from right, 0 from left and 0 from bottom. 0 from bottom and 0 from left. Color hash triple F. Display inline. Width 30 pixel. Height 30 pixel. Border radius 15 pixel. Line height 30 pixel. Font size 15 pixel. Text line center. Now I write some transition all 0.2 second space ease out, semicolon to close, vertical line bottom, background color hash 6 times 5. Control S to save. So now I go to my browser and I refresh this page. Take the scroll bar down. So friend, now you are watching that this footer has been stylized accurately, same like this demo. Top categories. Only these top categories are dim style, but here the text is being shown over this blue color, so it does not matter. I correct this mistake. When the second mistake is this Google Plus icon is not being shown over here. So I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I see some mistake. Yes, the color is I did not put the hash sign here. So first I put the hash sign. So now I refresh the page. So friend, now you are watching that all this text is being shown accurately. Now the one mistake is Google Plus icon is not being shown. So I go back to my code editor and I go to index, not the footer.php, and there is a mistake in spelling, plus spelling. I delete the L and here I write plus. Control S to save. Come back here and I refresh the page. So friend, now you are watching that this Google Plus icon is also being shown. So friend, this footer has been made successfully and accurately. I did not put the subscription code here. When I shall begin my PHP work, then I shall put this code and I shall get this code from FeedBurner. So later on in this course, if I go to my demo theme, so this copyright, the last footer, this strip is still remaining. So friend, now in next video I shall come back and I shall begin my work over this, the end of this bottom of this footer section, and I shall make this footer like the same our this demo footer. So I see you in next video.